Hi there, students. The more, M-A-W, more, sounds like M-O-R-E, but spelled M-A-W. Accountable noun. Okay, the maw is the mouth of a fierce or frightening animal. Yeah, the jaws. So the maw of the shark, as you see in the thumbnail. He put his head in the lion's maw. Okay, so a maw, it's something that it's a big open mouth that's going to swallow everything around it. And then notice you can use this metaphorically. If you describe something as a maw, it's something that looks like it's going to surround and absorb everything around it. Yeah, so I'm really worried that this will just be swallowed by the maw of bureaucracy. Yeah, just another thing for the maw of our society. Okay, an opening into something that you feel is insatiable. Yeah. I saw my life starting to fall into the maw of hell. Okay, yeah, the mouth, or the opening, the cavity. Yeah, the hook entered into the shark's enormous maw, into its mouth. Okay, so maw. The place where the food enters the body, especially the mouth and the jaws of some fierce and dangerous creature. Yeah, then you can just use it as slang for the mouth. Come on, shut your maw. I'm tired of you yapping on like this. Okay, so your maw, your mouth. And then any large, insatiable opening. Yeah, I looked down into the cave and it looked like it was the maw of hell. And then you can also actually use maw to talk about somebody who has an insatiable appetite, the mouth and stomach of a greedy person. He was shoveling food into his maw, yeah, into his maw as fast as it would go. Yeah, he was pushing it into his maw. Okay, so the maw, the mouth, the gullet of a greedy person, of a voracious animal as well. Notice if you're using this to talk about the mouth and jaws of a greedy person, or their stomach, this is probably quite informal, probably 4.5 informality, something you would use in an informal conversation. But I felt as if I was looking into the maw of hell. This will be swallowed up by the maw of bureaucracy. This sounds very literary, and I'd probably give it 6.5 to 7 informality. Okay, so depending on shut your maw, informal. Yeah, he shoveled food into his maw. He was cramming cheese down his maw. Informal. Yeah. He put his head in the lion's maw. That's much more formal, maybe 6.5 to 7. Okay, and then as to origin, well, there was an Old English word maga, meaning stomach or maw, which actually comes from Proto-Germanic, mago, belly or stomach, from the Proto-Indo-European, mac or max, a bag or bellows, or a belly. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. More.